In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get organic and free traffic from Reddit. So let's say this is a blog post I just uploaded on my website and I want a lot of people to see this blog post, or I want it to reach out to a lot of people. So this is what you are going to do on Reddit here. So Reddit is a social media platform that a lot of people are on here. So just create an account on Reddit like this, and Reddit works just like on Quora or Quora. So all you need to do is just create an account here, and then move to your search button here, and then you can see this is the article I want to promote. So items you should never buy or purchase online in 2025. So you just come here and then you search something like this. So people on here really sometimes do post questions on here and then wait for answers, something like that. Me myself, sometimes if I want to learn something, I sometimes ask the question here and then I read from people through the comment section. So you just search this here, items you should never buy online, and you see a lot of people posting stuff here. So here what you need to do is you need to search for relevant posts. So post that has been posted recently that is going to reach out to a lot of people. So some of them are very much popular, but then was posted 8 years ago and people are not really watching it. So this was posted 1 hour ago and you can see 99 upvotes and 42 comments. So we are going to glance through, and I think this is the best to post this website content on there. So let me show you guys how to do this. So I just open this here, buying from AliExpress, be careful, you get it. So when I open this like this, you can see they've dropped something here. Now I just need to join the comment section, you get it. So I join the conversation, and then I have something here which is like an advice. Here are the items you shouldn't purchase online, you should avoid buying online in 2025. So I just list them and I give some few reasons here that makes sense. So when someone sees it, they read it. And then I add this here. Here's the catch. So want an article with full advice, check this article out, you get it. And then I drop the link of this website, this article here, I drop it there, and then I add my comment. Let me show you guys. I come down here and then I add my comment here. Good, and my comment has been added. So here people would be able to see it anytime they see this question or they see this post on here on Reddit and they want to glance through the comments, they are going to see it. Let me see if someone has done what I did here. So I think no one has posted a link on here, but then that's it on how you can get organic or free traffic from Reddit. If you are new here, give me a like, also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.